Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. Let's learn how to divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Divide 10 is very easy. Let's just remove one zero from the number you're dividing. Let's look at one example. 50 divided by 10. Now 5 times 10 is 50, so 50 divided by 10 is 5. Let's look at more examples. 200 divided by 10 is 20. We just remove one zero from 200. 2000 divided by 10 is 200. We just take away one zero from 2000. 20,000 divided by 10, if we take one zero out, is 2000. Now dividing 10 is taking away one zero. Dividing 100 is taking away two zeros from the number you're dividing. Let's look at some examples. 600 divided by 100. If we take two zeros from 600, the answer is 6. 3000 divided by 100 is 30 because we take two zeros out from 3000. Now 50,000 divided by 100, how much will it be? We take two zeros out, the answer is 500. Now let's look at how to divide by 1000. We just need to remove three zeros from the number you're dividing. Now let's look how it works. 5,000 divided by 1000, how much will it be? We take three zeros out, the answer is 5. 15,000 divided by 1000. We take three zeros out from 15,000, the answer is just 15. Now we look at 700,000 divided by 1000. How much do you think will it be? We take three zeros out, the answer is 700. Let's learn some tricks you can use to divide large numbers of tens, hundreds and 1000s. You just remove the same number of zeros of both numbers and divide as usual. Let's look at how to divide 420 divided by 20. So we take away one zero from each of the numbers. We get 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2, the answer is 21. Let's try 3,500 divided by 50. Now 3,500 has two zeros, but there's only one zero at 50. So we just take away one zero from both numbers. You should get 350 divided by 5. If you divide it, the answer is 70. Let's try to divide with hundreds. 4,200 divided by 600. Now there are two zeros on each numbers, so we take out two zeros on both numbers. So we left with only 42 divided by 6. So the answer is 7. Let's try to answer 32,000 divided by 800. Now 32,000 has three zeros, but 800 has two zeros. So we only can take out two zeros from each number. So we left with 320 divided by 8. If we divide it, the answer is 40. Our last question for this video is 64,000 divided by 8,000. Let's try it out. Now both numbers have three zeros on each side, so we take out all three zeros from the numbers. So we left with only 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8, the answer is just 8. Let's try to test yourselves. See if you can answer all these questions as fast as possible. Are you guys ready? Let's go! And thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.